All right, y'all, let's do an unboxing for the Nissan GTR or Amazon unboxing. Shout out to Amazon. Do me a favor, go ahead and like this video. Go and hit the follow button after you watch this video. Boom. We got some red aluminum center drive shaft propeller for the Nissan GTR and 2 cups. Boom. We got 2 rocket fans, RC Surpass Hobby, 30 millimeters, and with the Heatsink and shield. Not the Heatsink, with the shield. Then what we got next? Boom, we got look like a high-speed gear from BRK RC. It's steel Spur gear, 63 tooth, high-speed gear set. So all this about to get installed. Y'all stay tuned. I know y'all ready to see this RC car hit the treadmill in the street. I'm ready to get it rolling. I'm ready to get it back on its feet. Hey, do me a quick favor again. If you haven't liked this video already, go ahead and hit the like button. Ooh, I should have my microphone set up for ASMR, cuz listen to that. That's nice. I like it. That sound it's gonna sound crazy, cause I'm gonna cut my own gear. I'm gonna cut my own gear specifically for the Nissan GTR. You know, that low rumble, that Nissan GTR, the R35 sound. And then we got two of these rocket fans from RC, BRK RC. Everything that's right here be linked down in the comment. Be a link in the comments, and I'm gonna link one of them and straight to the page, so y'all can just hit it and then take it straight to Amazon storefront. Go buy something, support me, support the RC hobby, have fun and enjoy yourself. You go to these carbon fiber, those carbon fiber, the little shield for the fans. All right, this is the high-speed gear. And you can hear how that sound, that is steel. It's good metal. It sounds like a quarter, a silver dollar just spinning on the table. So we gotta get all this installed. All right, we're gonna cut to the next video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and go ahead and follow my page for more RC builds and my lifestyle. Thank you.